Hey, I just got out the shower and I got dressed and everything. This is what I'm wearing. It's just a long sleeve t-shirt. And I'm wearing some gray sweatpants. Y'all, it's hot in here, but I only put this on because it's getting cold outside. Cause you know, fall. And we live in Florida, so it's like the weather is so bipolar. So it's like hot one day and it's cold the next. I got my moisturizer for my face. I use some African shea butter. You could get this from the beauty supply store. But put that on my face. Not too much though, because you don't want your face looking oily. Yeah, I'm so tired. I haven't been going to sleep this week because we didn't have school. I'm homeschooled, so my mom chooses when we get to be home or not. And she said this week we didn't have school, but we have school tomorrow. So basically, we didn't have school last week either. So, just today is our last day of having no school. And because of that, we just want to enjoy our last couple hours before we start school. But I'm gonna moisturize my hair because I moisturize my hair every other day because I don't want to over moisturize my hair. So we use this. It says Africa's Best Supergirl, but my mom made a mix. It's I think it's Blue Magic, and then she put some oils. I think she uses like jojoba oil, castor oil and stuff like that, and she put it in a jar for me and my sister to moisturize our hair with. Cause me and my sister don't do good with oils because every time we have an oil, we use way too much. So this is perfect. So that's what we use. That's what I use for my hair. I really get in my scalp because I mean my dreads need moisture too, but the scalp is where your hair is gonna grow from. So we need to make sure that's moisturized because we don't want to be bald headed next year. Y'all, I can't believe it's November. Like, that's so crazy to me. I don't know if it was just me, but time went by super fast. Like, it went by super fast. And then December was coming. Like, I know it's the first of the month, but dang, that's crazy. But I'm just moisturizing. Why is this one doing that? But I'm just moisturizing my hair because we don't want a dry scalp. And I be getting dandruff. I don't get bad dandruff though, but when my hair is too dry, I get dandruff. So we don't want that. I don't really got too much to say. But also, hey, ooh, hold on. Hey y'all, my name is Milan. If you are new and if you're returning, you already know what the deal is. Like I said, it is November. But oh, by the way, the top is from Rainbow and my joggers, my mom. It's Golden Hour Aeropostale. Isn't that a store? I don't shop at Aeropostale. We got this from Burlington, I think. But yeah, it smells so good. It says that the base is sandalwood and vanilla, which I do smell vanilla. Y'all, when I'm going to sleep, I be spraying this around the room. But I don't really have a lot to say. I just want to tell you guys hello. And I'm gonna go get a juice box because I'm thirsty. We're gonna get a juice box, a Juicy Juice juice box because I'm so thirsty. Y'all know what happened at dinner yesterday? No, of course y'all know. So basically, my dad came home from work and bought this peach drink, right? So we got some of the juice, and we had chicken, mashed potatoes, and vegetables last night. So I was eating some of my chicken, and we have the couch that has the cup holders. So my cup was in the cup holder, and I was eating my chicken, and it was so slippery, and my chicken slipped out my hand. It was a little bit of chicken. It was just like a little bit of meat on the bone. My chicken slipped out my hand and fell into my drink. I was so sad, and my dad was laughing at me. This is the fruit punch juicy juice. Ooh, I haven't had one of these in a long time. But yeah. I forgot what I was saying. Y'all go follow my Pinterest, because I be posting my drawings on there. I post my drawings on there. Well, I'm gonna start posting them on there. I'm gonna see you guys probably when we're going for the walk, because I don't want y'all to be bored or anything. I mean, okay, bye.
A few minutes later.
Alright, so it was like a couple minutes later. Trust me, I want my own. So
last time we shared one and now they disappeared.
So it's been a couple minutes now, and my sister, we're making a mug cake. See, we don't own a microwave because I forgot. Is it because like it causes cancer or something? Marley, is it because it causes cancer? A microwave.
Nope.
No, it's because like if you since like there was a whole the kids, if you step in front of the microwave,
Like if you look through it.
Yeah, if you try to like, your brain's gonna get mushy.
Oh, that's why I was so dumb. So you heard her. If you didn't, then she said it's because our brain is gonna get mushy. But if you look through, like while I was microwaving. So that's why we don't have a microwave. So we're about to make a mug cake, and
Me and my keeper. My keeper gonna do it. Now we need to grab a mug and then it's just.
oh, we're doing it in the mug. We can put the mugs in the oven.
Grab a mug, get the aluminum foil, wrap it around, make it like your own mug. Oh, we still have the mug to do it. This one, the one.
I want mine to be built like a cake.
Okay, you can do this.
So basically, what we're gonna do, since we're using the oven, we're gonna use some foil, and we're gonna put them in here to get the mold of the pan or whatever, and then we're gonna make our batter, and then we're gonna pour it in there and put it in the oven, because we don't know if the glass could go in there, and we're kind of scared because that's our parents' mugs. They're whatever, but those are their mugs, and we're not trying to get beat. Yeah. What else do we need?
6 Oreos, milk, some flour, and
Alright, we're gonna start. We're gonna get your extra foil.
We're gonna match the Oreos. We gotta add an extra cookie. We had to add an extra.
So we're gonna use 5 cookies and then use the middle cookie.
Yeah.
Okay.
Add extra cookie in the middle. Maybe a spoon of flour. 2 spoons of baking powder.
Okay.
And mix it up. Only 1. Yeah, 2 spoons of flour. I guess.
This is some foil that we use. This is our crafting foil, but we're gonna use it for the mug cake. Foil rips so easily, so we gotta be gentle. So I'm gonna go get some scissors because I want to cut the edges.
Oh.
Right. Okay, we need 5 Oreos.
Milk, okay.
Oat milk, better than cow milk.
So how much do we need?
I think, do we really need 5 Oreos? They really use 5?
You have to use 5 and then next put 1 in the middle.
Okay. People still got one. So we're gonna get our forks.
Mom said no, right now at the house, so we can have it out.
We only have one metal.
It's like use a knife.
Milk. I don't know how much we're gonna need, so I'm gonna add a little bit first. Want me to put yours in there? Huh? Okay.
I'm like, I'm alright here.
And then you crush up the Oreos. I think I need a little bit more. Mine is thick.
Delicious.
Okay, that's how it looks after you crush up the Oreo.
Crush the Oreo should turn brown. And that's what it is.
Okay. What's next?
Flour.
2 tablespoons. Where's the flour? That's grits. Okay, so we got some whole wheat flour. We need 2. 2 tablespoons. That's the big one, I think. I mean, her video looked like they were kind of big. So.
It is. That's
Huh?
a little child.
It's a man.
It's a child. It's a whole little boy. Smells weird.
Oh goodness. We're gonna clean up our mess anyway. So mom doesn't get this. Okay.
Okay, baking.
How much?
1 spoon.
I thought I had said half.
A half spoon.
So that's a small. I think that should be good. Baking powder, not soda. That look like a lot for you. Don't they? What else? That's it.
I guess you could say brownie too.
Brownie's gonna cook faster. I think I need more. It kind of look nasty, not gonna lie.
Maybe stop.
Look a little gross.
It should get bigger, older.
It looks like dirt. Okay, this is what mine
I gotta
is.
rub it.
Alright, I'm gonna get some brown sugar. If it was heat treated flour, people be making edible cookie dough with heat treated flour. Which you literally just bake. I'm pretty sure you bake your flour before you use it. That's a lot about you. Our sugar is thick, so that should be enough for you. I mean me. That should be enough for you. Nutritional yeast.
Got food to cook.
Sorry. Okay, y'all, this is what it looks like. It looks like dirt. Okay, we'll clean up our mess. We're done with the flour. Clean this up. Boom. Where did she go? I feel like it needs a little bit more. What do y'all think? Is it giving batter or is it like stiff? Because it, to me, is giving stiff. Do you need more milk?
I think I need more.
So yeah, this is my cake pan. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna snatch the inside layer out. Ooh, it's kind of
How
cute.
hard it is.
This is my cake pan, guys. Okay.
Big Brenda.
We're gonna put it on a pan just in case anything leaks. We don't want that to happen.
Hey, Big Brenda, you know we've been talking about you. Now the night's gonna eat it. Song. Live my life.
I'm doing hers now because it's too thick. She's mad at me about it, but okay. We have our stuff ready. What do I have to get? This is our pan. We're gonna put our pans these on here just in case it leaks.
Thing doesn't go. I'm gonna pour it out you.
I got one last problem. Hold on, let me make sure all my batteries. Okay, it's kind of giving cake batter. This is not easy. They lied. I think my cake pan is too big, but I don't care.
Mine is just right. I gotta check all the holes to see. Pick it up and check.
Yeah, my cake isn't gonna be caking because my pan is too big. It's fine. It's gonna be good regardless. Whether the cake tin is tinning or not.
I'm going to come out. Thank you.
Thank you, Evan.
You're just in time.
If you don't think your oven, wait, but this should rise up. So maybe my cake isn't going through some things. You know, maybe it won't go through.
Okay, it should be done.
It's flat, but should we make more batter? No, but
If you make more batter, I'm gonna make more batter. But we make more batter, we're gonna need more Oreos.
well, we could just make white batter.
The bowl on top?
Yes. Just saying. Just
Off of just milk?
yes. We made this out of just milk. Also, don't we got white Oreos?
Yeah. Should we? Huh? Should we? Should we?
Let's see what these white are. This is a dang on shame.
Why is somebody use this thing?
No, put this one back in there.
Oh, wow.
Because we're gonna keep all this. Because we don't want that all the orange. Could we get it? We only like two.
Nobody will ever know. Okay, so should we wash this out or are we gonna use it in the same one we just did? Same one. Gonna be a waste.
I'm gonna rinse the bowl.
See, ma'am.
Okay. 2 Oreos.
What color is this man?
Wait, I should wait for her so she don't yell at me.
If y'all don't like my cakes, y'all are weird.
It's just a cake. Just made. Now, if you don't like cake, you're weird. Why don't you like cake? What's your reason? What's your excuse?
Okay, now I'm gonna wash this.
How do you? Hold it on.
Oh, maybe like 2 seconds. Now it's done. I'm like, what's going on? Okay.
I'm the puppet. Stop. I need to rinse my face. I need it.
You got a little bit too much milk.
It is a little bit
And it turned yellow, but it's okay. It's still gonna be good.
I don't think I added enough.
You had too much? I have too much, you don't have enough. Oh yeah. I'm all from the mix.
I'm the party master.
Oh my gosh!
That thing's over.
He needs
Forget the spoon. Move. Get out of my way.
needs the milk.
Driving a Sahara desert, man. Sorry. So sorry.
Bullying is not the right
But it
thing.
is kind of
Bullying is not the right thing to do.
well,
Okay, now I need more flour.
no, Marley. Who told you to buy that much? I better be enough. I'm not gonna Ow.
Yeah, that should be enough.
You better be. Already know I'm gonna need it. It's Daisy and I, please. it's dusty. Oh, child, it's dusty.
Let me check the bottom of this. Oh my gosh, it's not leaking. It's perfect.
Oh my gosh, really?
Yeah. Okay, mine's.
It's bad.
Oh.
Alright, y'all, I'll see y'all when I'm taking out the cakes. Okay, y'all, so I took out my cake because you guys don't know, my cake, it was thinner than my sister's because my pan was rounder. But when I took it out, it fell not on the floor. It fell upside down. So I had to put it in the bowl because it wasn't giving cake anymore. But this is, it smells good. We didn't try it yet because my sisters are still cooking, so we're gonna wait for her. And then we'll try it. I'm not gonna eat all of this though, because that's a lot. I'm probably just gonna like eat some now, and then after dinner, eat some. Tomorrow, eat some. This is a lot. But I'll see y'all again when we're trying the cakes. I just wanted to give y'all an update. But yeah, I'll see y'all when we're trying the cakes because I want to eat mine and hers is taking forever and I'm really, really upset. I just took hers out of the oven. It came out completely clean. Sit at our desks and eat them. I just realized that this video is turned the wrong way. I'll turn it when I'm editing. They're so cute. I'm gonna try it without. Okay, ready? Ugh. This is a lot of cake. It tastes like a cookie. Like a chocolate sugar cookie. I'll see y'all later. I'm full off of it. But low-key, it really wasn't sweet. It tasted like a cookie, but an unsweet cookie. But because we put the Oreo in the middle, the Oreo part was really good. Like, that was the best part. Bye, y'all. Is it good? I think it is. It's the next day. It is Thursday. It's 4:43 and we're getting ready to go for a walk. We're gonna take our dog for a walk, but she's eating a Jamaican beef patty, so we're waiting. Foil. But right now I'm drawing. I finished her and now I'm about to draw I'm about to draw something like this. He said not to let go of the leash. I'm gonna draw something like that, but the nails aren't gonna be that long, and her hair, I'm changing her hair, and her eyelashes are gonna be shorter. And she's not gonna be crying.
If I drop it on the floor, I'm gonna cry.
I didn't really do anything today. I woke up. You guys know what you're supposed to do when you wake up. And then I sat on my computer, helped mom with my baby brother, watched Makoto Kenshin, and draw. This is not my original drawing, but I like to practice and see what I can do. If you guys wonder what pencil I use, if you guys wonder what pencil I use these pencil mate. These 7mm pencil mate pencils. You could get them at Five Below for $3.25, I think. And the eraser is huge. So those are the pencils I use, but they break easily. Like this is the one that I use and it's broken. I just want to check in. I'm gonna see you guys when we're getting the dog, because I gotta wait for her to get her Jamaican beef patty together so we can go. I'm gonna see you guys when we're heading outside. In a couple minutes and we're still waiting because she has to get ready. I'm scrolling on Pinterest. Y'all, my next video, I'm so excited. But we're not gonna miss any opportunity to record, which is why I'm making this video. This video is lucky boring, but hey, I have to be consistent. So whether the video is boring or it's entertaining, I have to post. Because if I'm not consistent, that's gonna be a problem. But so far, my channel is doing... No, it's slow, because that's what's gonna happen when you start a YouTube channel. So I don't expect it to be fast. Like, I don't expect subscribers to roll in. But at least it's going well. Like, my non-copyright music is doing amazing. I got 3 videos up so far. So I need to post this video. I gotta edit and post this video, and then next week I'm gonna record my I don't even know what it's called. Like, I don't know what I want to call it. But next week I'm gonna post that video. Next week I'm gonna post this video and then work on another video. So, and then after that I have no more plans. But something will come up. Whether we gotta go somewhere, whether it's a simple vlog, I don't know. But I know for sure though that we gonna get this content out. And I got a bunch of video ideas coming down the line, because we just got stuff that we gotta do the rest of this year and then the beginning of next year. I don't know how cold it is outside. I don't think it's super cold, because when I went to go feed my dog, it wasn't cold. So I don't think that it's cold. It was colder yesterday than it is today. Yesterday was cold. And we were talking about going for a walk yesterday, but that wasn't about to happen. It's too cold. I'm gonna see you guys when we're actually outside, because she's brushing her hair. Let's go. Never realized how hard it was to take a big pit bull outside. Look at him. He keep dragging me. And he stops to pee every 10 seconds. It's cold out here. Got back in the house a couple minutes ago, and now sitting here with the baby. I'm not gonna show y'all him, but the baby, because my mom was working and she needed us to take him. So he's just sitting here. I need to go do some laundry. Well, not laundry. I need to take my clothes out the dryer and fold them. But what's the matter? I don't know what your pacifier is.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare.
Technical difficulties. So I'll see y'all
I know that I don't make
later.
this clear.
What's up, Timmy? In a box.
That's why for your reason I try to
What?
What's up, Timmy?
I'm chasing
Okay. My best friend.
Hey y'all, I'm in the laundry room because I gotta take out my trash. My baby brother just fell asleep, so now is my chance. He is knocked out. He's sleeping like he got a long day. Like he had a long day today. I don't want to fold. It's currently 7:50. So I'm gonna see y'all when I'm done folding. We'll see how long this takes. Y'all, I'm done folding. It's 8:55. But y'all, that's the end of today's video. Well, this week's video. I'm tired. We just had a little brawl match and we won. In today's video, I'm about to hop in the shower and we're gonna eat. But I don't think I'm gonna record any of that. This video was low-key boring, but my next video is not gonna be boring. I promise. I will see you guys in next week's video.